Hi, today I have a challenge log for you guys. It's So Easy Izzy, pinned by Fast Charlie, 25th of March 2018. This challenge log was sent to me by Squint. Here's the key and the bidding for the open keyway, and I will try to pick it. I don't know, I'll start clockwise, is easier, and of course I will start with the forest diamond. So let's start one click, and I think I overset it. So one click, two nothing, three nothing, four nothing, five nothing, four small click. So probably pin one. So I'll start again. I think I overset everything, so let's change attention to. Let me one nothing, two it's binding, click, three nothing, four it's binding, five small click, I think. So let's start from one nothing, two nothing, three click, four nothing, five click, I think. So again, one, I don't know, it's trying to, wants to be set. So one click, two nothing, three nothing, four is binding, click, fifth one, nothing. Again, one, two, three small click, four nothing, four nothing, and five click. So now three is binding, click from three, nothing from one, nothing from two, nothing from three, click from five, small full set, one, two nothing, three nothing, four nothing, five nothing, and back to one nothing, two is give me counter rotation. I think I set pin number two, but I drop everything else. One click from five, two click from five, and full set. Let me check pin number four. I think I said it. Sorry, three. So let me do it again. One nothing, two nothing, four nothing, five. Give me counter rotation. I touch pin number five again. I set pin number five. Four is now binding. Four big click. Nothing on three. One nothing, two nothing, three nothing, four nothing, five. I think five is binding again. Yeah. And I touch pin number three, and now I'm in deep full set. I'm trying to find now pin that is wants to be picked, so some counter rotation. I think pin number five, yes. I think I set now pin number five, and now pin number three, and we're open. Ooh, very nice pick. Very tricky pick. Really interesting pick. Yeah. We are open. Ooh, Fast Charlie. Very, very nice. Let me readjust camera a little bit. So it's open. I do have a key, so I can close it. I need a screwdriver. Shit, I'm not prepared. Tweezers. Can it be done? Yes. So it's pretty tight. Charlie, fast Charlie. On the back on the lock. Yeah, I felt a couple of spools. I think 3, 4, and 5. And serrated spool maybe on pin number 5, or serration on pin number 5 and spools on 3 and 4. So let me grab a key. Sorry, I'm out of frame. Like this. Let me change it a bit. So I need a shim and this follower. So let me shim it. It was saying no shim needed, but yeah, anyways, I'm shimming all of the challenge locks just to be sure. Yeah, I did not mention it's a 5-pin lock. Everything needs to be picked. So first standard, second standard, third standard, come on, 4 standard, and the pin number 5 standard. Nothing down on the core. Ooh, so better be some security pins on the driver pins, so or I'm rusty. Let me rearrange. Yeah, everything is standard. Let me get the drivers once rated. Oof, that's good. So here's the spring. Second one, come on, focus. Second one, it's a spool. Here's the spring, come on, spring. Third one, it is serrated spool with some serration. I think it was like that. Fourth one, I'm trying to get it through the camera. It's spool, reduced diameter spool, and let me get the 5th pin. Oh shit. It's a serrated. I think it was like that. So let me grab all the springs. I think they're the same, but I'm not sure. Yeah. So come on, spring. So let me check. Nothing done on the core, or maybe something. No, nothing done on the core. So let me give you a close-up. So all the key pins are standard. Drivers rated, first, second spool, third one spool and serration, fourth one spool, and the 5th one is very nice serration. So that's the the Not So Easy Izzy by Fast Charlie. Thanks for pinning it. Queen, thanks for sending it to me. And guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.